Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to CapCut guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a VHS effect using CapCut. So here are the things that we will need. These are filters by the way, and these are all the filters that we will be needing to create the effect. So we'll need a DV tape, a jitter effect, a retro DV, and an oblique blur. So let's go to CapCut and let's say this is the video that we want. So what we want to do from here is go to effects and then search the DV. But for this to work, you need to have Pro. But I don't have any Pro, so we won't be able to download it for now. But some effects don't need a Pro. So as you can see here, the DV effect already creates kind of like a VHS effect. So if you're already good with this, then there should be no problem with that. For this, let's set it up. And then next, we want the jitter effect. This one right here. It's for free again, so let's just drag this. Okay. For this one, let's try to add the retro DV. This one right there. Then an oblique blur. And there you have it. That is how most DV that's how most CapCut VHS formats are made using these filters, but definitely, in my opinion, if you want a clear effect, you can just use the DV or you can use any of the other DVs available either for free or if you have Pro, then you can use those as well. That's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please hit of course the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.